To track an order on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Orders section. Here you will see a list of all your orders, including pending, processing, and completed orders. Find the order you want to track and click on it to view the order details page. On this page, you will see the order status, customer information, and the shipping details. If the order has been shipped, you will see the shipping carrier and the tracking number. To track the order, click on the tracking number, and you will be taken to the shipping carrier's website where you can see the current status of the shipment. You can also use this tracking number to keep your customer informed about the status of their order. It is essential to keep your customers informed about the status of their orders. And Shopify allows you to do this automatically. You can set up automated email notifications to be sent to your customers when their order is processed, shipped, and delivered. To set up automated email notifications, go to the Settings section of your Shopify admin panel and click on Notifications. Here you can customize the email templates and set up the notification triggers. For example, you can set up a notification to be sent to the customer when the order is shipped, and another notification when the order is delivered. By tracking orders and keeping your customers informed, you can improve customer satisfaction and build trust with your customers. Shopify provides all the tools you need to track orders and manage your shipping. And by following these steps, you can ensure that your customers receive their orders on time and are kept informed every step of the way. Additionally, you can also use Shopify apps to enhance your order tracking and shipping management. There are many apps available that can help you to automate your shipping process, print shipping labels, and track orders. By using these apps, you can save time and reduce errors, and provide a better experience for your customers. In conclusion, tracking orders on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be done from the Orders section of your Shopify admin panel. By using the tracking number and automated email notifications, you can keep your customers informed about the status of their orders and improve customer satisfaction.